if you wanted to enter that market, you will go with an uptrend. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can use powerful AIs to make your predictions. So here we have an interface of Exness, and we can use powerful AIs to predict the markets so that we can just place orders here. So the first thing you need is an AI account, and these AI accounts are the pro models, and we will be using them for free. So I have the site that you will be using, and it is free of charge. So the site is Yupp AI. If you are a beginner and you don't have money to trade, so you can still use it to make some cash so that you can start trading. So this is the site, and it has the top models. It has Gemini, it has all the top models. Here you will be using all these for free to analyze your markets. So the first thing you need to do, I will leave all the links there, and these sites use credits. So this site has credits. It will reward you when you register 5,000 credits, and it will reward you only when you use the link that I leave in the description. When you get that 5,000 credits, those are the credits that you will be using to generate a prompt. You will be using those credits to predict where the market will be going, and after prompting, you will just be reviewing which AI you think is the best or has just came up with the right answer. So after doing that, you just scratch here. So you just scratch this way and you win the 5,000 credits. So here you see, after signing up using that link, I have just got that 5,000 credits. Now the second site that we'll be using is Exness. I will be using Exness because it is just easy to use. You can just deposit it easily and you don't have problems when you verify your account. Also, I just leave the link there. If you are interested, you will sign up. If you already have an account or you have just signed up, this might be your dashboard. And then here you just need to add an account. And then after adding a real account, let's say that you open an account. After all doing that, setting your password, you have an account here. Just go to Exness Trading Terminal. So you just open it, and then you will have a web trading, or you can just come here to the account that you need to open, and then you can see trade here. Just open it, and then that way you have opened the account that you need to trade with. So you can wait, or I can just open this one. Now as you can see, this is the dashboard that you'll be seeing, or the charts, or the coins here, all these options, and then the sell and the buy. To enter this market with a sell, you are predicting that the market will be going down. With a buy, the market will be going up. So all these are just the ones that you make your order. And then here we have the lot size. This just when you increase, you have the ability to make more profit, and also the loss or the risk will increase. So that is for beginners. I know some of you might be knowing that. Now there's something that you need to add so that these AIs will be able to predict where the market will be going. So this is the chart that you will be having after opening. If you are aiming to be trading at an interval of 24 hours, you need to change these time frames to 4 hours so that the AIs will be able to predict the market. Now, the other thing you need also to know is that you need to add the volumes. So here you just come to here where we have indicators. Search, let's start with the moving average. So you can search moving average, and then we'll be choosing the triple. So there we have this one, as you can see. We also need to add RSI, and then this is the relative strength index. You need to add that one. delete this one, delete one, then we remain with one here. As you can see, this is just similar as this one here. That is all you need so that you can screenshot and upload it to those AI so that they can analyze where the market will be going within 24 hours, since you want to be trading within 24 hours. So here I just go to where those AIs are, and here we have the AIs. So the first thing I need to do is choose the models, because I don't want to be using an AI, and I have specific models that I'll be choosing, where I just choose Gemini 3, and then it is specifically this one by Vertex AI is the one that I'll be choosing, and then I'll add Perplexity, this one, Perplexity, this one, you choose this one. So make sure that you choose these two AIs, because are the one of the best that I have seen. Now, after screenshotting, this is the screenshot that you need to screenshot and then upload. I can just upload the screenshot here. I just need to, so just tap on it, it will open your local storage. You just need to hover around to find where these screenshots are located, and then choose the screenshot. So I just choose it, and then you'll see it here uploading. So after uploading, you need to ask the AIs to research online. Also, you need to ask them to give you, after uploading your screenshot, you can ask the AIs to predict the market and use percentages to describe the direction of the market, so that you don't have problem identifying where the market will be going. Here I have an example. Most of these AIs research, as you can see this one, it has some sources. Now here you can see that I want to show you this one. This one is just a screenshot. So as you can see, this is just a screenshot. I had instructed it earlier to tell me in form of percentage where the market will be going. And here you can see likely 60% it is likely to go high, and then 40% is likely to go down. On this other AI, you can see that 60% is likely to go up, 30% it is likely to stay within that range, and then 10% is likely to go down. Now, as you can see, they are predicting the same direction. If you wanted to enter that market, you will go with an uptrend. You just enter placing your bet as a buy. You just predict it will be going up, and then after predicting, you can just come back here, and then you can close your trade after making some profit. Also, you can use this website to make some cash. Now, let's say that you are prompting and you are asking the AIs to give you the direction where the market might be going, and then your prompt is like this one. Now I can just read through, and then I will just go and see which AI just tried to analyze the market well, and then I will say I prefer that AI. And here for me, I just preferred this one, so I just choose it, say it was on target, and then this one I choose this one and send the feedback. I'll be able to scratch these credits. As you can see, I have won these credits, and they will help me to be able to prompt more, and I can still withdraw them. Here we have your profile. Just open it, and then you can see we have a cash out. Just you tap on it, and then you can cash out your money through PayPal, and then we have also Coinbase. You can still make money here, and then after getting some money, you can start trading. You can still use the same site to predict where you will be predicting the market will go. So you have the double chances to still trade and make money here. And I have a proof of withdrawing my money. And you can still use these AIs for your businesses or whatever for free. They are the pro models. You don't need to buy them. you have all of them here and you can access them for free, provided that you have the points. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this content.